Hi friends, this is Jivan. Okay friends, today we'll see about if you got $15 million in your bank account. You want to see that you want to there is an SMS in your phone. It is you want to finish it in you want to loss means you want to purchase your things without any investment and any other things. Okay, in 15 days you want to lose that. It is an thing the SMS as telling that when you are going to that in the normal road there is an advertisement banner and you are seeing that, and there is an thing, it is you can join our experiment. They have joined that experiment and this is an thing happened there. Before going to our video, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon. Okay friends, now we'll go to our video. Before that, this is our first video. We are recording like images. We will see and we will upload with some other things. Okay. Now we'll continue our story. You are seeing that and you are joining that experiment. There is an $15 million came to your account, means your bank account, and you are don't believing it because the $15 million is not the enjoying thing or any other thing. Okay, because of it he is not believing that it is real. Okay, after that he has buying a coke and burger, and it is also giving that $20. He had get that money in this bank account. He has enjoying that day. It is an first day, day one. In the day one, he has going to theater and seeing the movie, and he has buying a new car with his old car, which is an the like an dummy car. Okay, he is buying an costliest car and he is moving to his new house. In second day, he is buying a bungalow of his any richest person. He also it is an next the balance he is checking. In that time he is seeing that the balance is $14 million. He cannot spend this money to anything. He is buying the new piano and new music instruments and costliest arts and fish tanks and any other animals and private jet also. He is buying the private jet and he is going to Italy, and he is buying that pizza and he is settling on the hotel, one of the costliest hotels in that Italy. After that it is on day 3. He is going to from his private jet to America and he is going all the places in America. After that it is on 5th day. Yeah, he is going to another country and he is going and he is seeing that the balance money is $11 million. He is shocked how we can spend this money. Still 10 days are there. The balance money is $11 million. We can calculate with one day 1 million. Also we have 1 million extra. He is seeing that and he is going to Sahara with his private another he is buying another private jet and is hiring the staffs most like 600 to 700 peoples for working. He is working to that. He is a normal person but he is going to this work. After that he is spending that money to Sahara and seeing the private. He has bought $50 million, not $50 million, of $50,000, he has buy a new jeep and going to the Sahara forest and seeing the giraffes, zebras, and other animals. After that, he has taking the costliest hotel in Sahara with the outdoor space. And you are sleeping in the night, the mosquitoes are coming here and there. After that, you are getting and checking that it is $9 million in 8 days. He is calculating and he is taking the money to his bank, but they are telling that there is an alarm clicking his phone. There is an app also downloaded in his mobile. Okay. After that, he is going to a new car, buying to new car and buying the another flats. Some of the flats he are buying. After that, it is an time to take money lost. It is an fifth day, means it is an 10th day. It is an money is $4. We have lost. We have still $4 million in 5 days. We want to spend it money. Because of it, he is going to big restaurants and spending the time there, and going to limo, buy the limo and any Ferrari and Lamborghini, this kind of cars he is buying. After that, he is going to his house and he is seeing that he is alone, but the staffs are not there. He is alone. He is like an physical, mentally he has affected, and he has being alone. He is tensioned and he has not sleeping in that 3 days. And how we can lose our money, means how we can spend our money. This is something he is seeing to how to spend in the next day. He has not sleeping night. After that, he is going to his bank. After that, it is an alarm clicking and he is going out, and he is buying how much car he can take, and he is buying. After that, it is an last 14th day, and next day it is an last day to that experiment, and he is going to that, and he is buying so much limos, and it is an time to 50 lakh dollars, means for 50k dollars he has still. Because of it, he is buying the costliest food if they are not eaten. It is an gold, silver food he is eating. After that, yes, eating for he is giving food free for them, and who are the hotel, who are came for hotel for them, who are working in his house of stocks. For them also he is giving the food freely. Because of it, he has lost, means he has spent the money how much he can. It is an lost 2 to 3 hours. There is a money of 7k. Here he want to, he is buying a new car of $7,000. It is an time finished. It is an last 1 hour. Is what is happening here, he is seeing in his mobile. After that, it is an SMS came to his phone. It is, you are congratulate you because you are finished our experiment. Thank you for participating. It is a news came for from the SMS. Okay. If you got this chance, what you will do? After that, he is going to a normal life, and yes, got driving his normal car, and he is seeing the another experiment. What he will do, you think? And if you got this opportunity, what you will do? This is an thing I want to tell this. Okay, this is our end of our video. Until then, bye from Jeevan.